explain this the best I can. We're gonna go to the side right here, and we are just gonna go to like the orange-ish settings, and we're gonna find like a tan-ish color up here, and we're gonna use watercolor right here. This is the regular watercolor brush. I'm using 100 just so you can see. Okay, and then we're gonna go a tad shade darker and go with watercolor wet, and we'll go a little smaller. We'll go 50. So we'll go around. We'll go a little darker, like that. Oh, don't know what that is. But as you can see, I am going around with the color, and it is blending in because of the close color and the watercolor marker. So we will go down to blur. We'll go to 100 and blend this out in here. You can go to 150 just to blend a little better. And then you get the shading like that. You can blend a little bit more. You keep going over it until you like it. And then you can go back to watercolor wet, go a little lighter, and then add your highlight. Like that. And then we'll go back to blur and blend. Keep blending. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Can't really see from the phone, but in person it looks better. You can have a backspace to see the highlight a little better. And then you can go here. You can go a little darker, or actually color drop, and then go down to the red to get the blush. You can go switch to watercolor wet, go to 50, and then you can blush around the edges a little. I'm using a mouse because I don't have my webcam right now, but yeah, you can blush around the edges, blush like that, blur like that. Obviously, it'd probably be a better idea if you do the blush, shading and stuff first, and then add the highlight, and that's what we'll do. We'll go back up here a little bit, go back up here, watercolor, and then we'll blush like that, or highlight like that, sorry. And then we'll go back to blur, and it's on 150 by the way, so it blends out nicely. And yeah, so whenever you're going to use a pen, if you're going to use 100, go to 150 to blur. If you're going to use 70, go to 100 or 150 to blur. If you're going to use 150, go to 400 or 300 to blur. Always go 2 times or 2 times plus 100. That'll always help. So yeah.